Ano?
So nervous. So they just asked me to say a few words. I think that's a few, right? Okay. No. So thank you guys so much for being here. I know it was of your free will. I know you were. Oh, hey, Leo. Hi. Sorry,
Hello.
my eyes are getting. But anyway, thank you guys so much for being here. I really hope you enjoy Glitter and Doom. Sinadya po talaga namin na ipalabas siya on Pride Month. We really wanted to wait to add to the spectacle of Pride, which is also the month of independence. And I just want to say, and I said this in my interview with Gaynell, it's so important, this movie, and I think this is such an important moment, not just for cinema, but for Filipino cinema, not just for Filipino cinema, but for queer Filipino storytelling. Especially in a moment where we're having so much difficulty passing laws that should not even be negotiated, like, you know, the divorce bill. We should not be negotiating laws like that. The SOGI bill. We should not be negotiating laws like that. And I was telling Gaynell na, you know, hindi ko piniling, you know, maging half Filipino. My mom just happened to be too beautiful na binuntis siya ng isang foreigner at dinala siya sa ibang bansa. But hindi ko pinili yan, and hindi po yan bumabawas sa pagka-Pilipino ko. Dumadagdag lang po lamang siya sa kakaibang kwentong ko ng pagiging Pilipino. And that's exactly the same as being queer. You know, hindi pinili ng mga tao sa community ko, community natin, if you're queer. Hindi namin pinili to. Nagkataon lang na ganito po kami. And hindi po yan bumabawas sa pagka-Pilipino namin. Dumadagdag lang po yan sa makulay na kwento namin. And so we should not be debating our rights as Filipinos. We should be protecting each other because we have bigger problems to fry. We have bigger fish to fry. So this Pride Month, I hope that when you watch Glitter and Doom, because for many of us, freedom is such a new feeling. For many of us, pride is such a new feeling. And for many of us, shame was the most normal feeling in the world. So when you watch Glitter and Doom, when you see Disney legend Ming-Na Wen standing beside a bisexual, queer Filipino, I hope you feel pride, and I hope you see this world where being queer is normal. And I hope that inspires you to continue fighting for the equality. And I hope you are reminded that as the best of the queer community, we are reminded to lead by example, and we are reminded to be the example of love, because there will always be people with more rights than us who will be ignorant to our plight. But that should be a bigger reason for us to stand and exemplify the kind of community that we want to be for tomorrow. So please enjoy, and as the first people who will see Glitter and Doom in the Philippines, I present to you Glitter and Doom.
Yeah.